Hi friends, I am Coderboy. In the last video, we learned our first Python instruction, print. Today, we will learn about variables. A variable is like a box. We give the box a name and then we put a value inside it. In Python, we use the equal sign to put a value inside a box, that is a variable. The name goes on the left and the value goes on the right. Let's make our first variable. Clear the code and now type name equals, then add a quote, write the name, I am writing Sam, and then close the quote. Now we have a variable called name. Think of it like a box named name, and inside the box we have the value Sam. But how do we see what is inside the box? We use print. Now type print, open bracket, name, and then close bracket. Click run and Python opens the name box and shows us what is inside. It says Sam. Great. Now here is something important. We can put a new value inside the same variable anytime. Same box, new value. The old value is replaced. Let's change Sam to Maya. Now click run again and now Python says Maya. So remember, variables help Python remember values for us. We can store a value once and use it again and again. In the next video, we will learn about numbers and strings. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.